Singapore's latest COVID-19 wave is finally easing, and the numbers prove it. Just weeks ago, daily hospitalizations hit a worrying high of 174, but now they've dropped by nearly one-third. What's behind this turnaround, and could this signal a new phase in how we deal with the virus? Health Minister Ong Ye Kung shared the good news on Facebook over the weekend. He said the recent wave, which started in late April, pushed weekly infections to about 26,400 cases at its peak. That's a lot of people falling sick in a short time, and it placed serious pressure on our healthcare system. But here's the thing. Even with so many people infected, the number of serious cases needing ICU care stayed very low, holding steady at just 2 to 3 patients a day. That's a clear sign that while the virus is still spreading, our system is more ready than ever to handle it. Ong credited this resilience to Singapore's improved healthcare readiness and the public's cooperation. Now there's even more reason to feel cautiously hopeful. By mid-June, estimated weekly infections dropped sharply to about 15,300. That's a 42% fall from the peak. Daily hospitalizations also went down to 118, which is about 32% lower. These aren't just numbers, they show that the current wave is clearly subsiding. Another sign comes from wastewater readings, a method used to detect how much virus is circulating in the community. Those levels have also been going down steadily, matching the drop in actual cases and hospital admissions. Still, Mr. Ong was quick to point out that COVID-19 is far from over. He reminded everyone that we should treat it like the seasonal flu, something that comes and goes in waves. But when those waves hit, they can still stretch our hospitals thin and affect the elderly or those with weaker immune systems. He urged the public not to let their guard down completely. Just because things are improving doesn't mean we can ignore the risks. The government will continue to monitor the situation closely and share updates if anything changes. Many Singaporeans responded positively to Ong's update, thanking him in the comments for keeping the public informed. One netizen said they appreciated the good news. Another hoped things would stay stable after the June school holidays, while others thanked Ong for taking care of the situation. So, with the numbers dropping and the system holding strong, should we start relaxing our precautions or continue to stay alert just in case another wave hits? And how do you think Singapore should balance living with the virus while still protecting the vulnerable in our society? If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230.